Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure internal linking using Link Whisper for WordPress, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Ensure that you have the Link Whisper plugin installed and activated. Navigate to the Link Whisper section in the left-hand menu. Once there, look for the option to create internal links. You will see a list of suggested links based on your existing content. Choose a post or page where you want to add internal links. Click on that post to edit it. In the Link Whisper widget, browse through the suggested links. Select the links that are relevant to the content you want to enhance. You can choose multiple links at once for efficiency. Once you have made your selections, click the Add Links button. Link Whisper will automatically insert the internal links into your post. You can review the added links in the editor for any adjustments. If needed, customize the anchor text of the links for better SEO. After finalizing the links, click the Update button to save your changes. To monitor your internal linking structure, return to the Link Whisper dashboard. Here, you can view your internal link reports. Analyze the data to see which posts have good internal linking. Identify any areas for improvement in your linking strategy. Make it a habit to regularly check your internal links as you create new content. By following these steps, you will effectively configure internal linking using Link Whisper for WordPress. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.